Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today we learn Standard 10 English Medium Science chapter number 13 continue magnetic effect of electric current. In previous lecture we have to study how to produce magnetic field in different way. First, apply current in a solenoid. Second, apply current in a circular loop, and another experiment is applying current in a state conducting wire. Today we learn another experiment on same type. The state conducting wire apply current between magnetic pole, and we have to use in this experiment Horse-Shoes magnet in using this experiment. So understand what happens when conducting wire in between two horseshoes magnet. Chapter number 13. Stand. Now, conducting wire, for example, aluminium, copper, anion, and A and B. Stand. Now, one end is connected another end. Between two ends we have to connect a battery and one key, positive and a negative end. Now in two conducting wire between horseshoes magnet, it means U-shaped magnet, north pole and south pole of magnet. We observe that in experiment when electric current passes through conducting wire, positive end to negative end, it means in this direction, magnet, horseshoes magnet between conducting piece, aluminium piece, and A and B. We have to observe that when the current passing, it means switch is on and current passes through conducting wire, we observe that deflection in take place with conducting piece. So deflection due to electric current passes and horseshoes magnet. We observe that when the electric current I, change of electric current I direction, change of also magnetic field and magnetic force is also changed. Here deflection due to magnet can produce magnetic field. So we observe that one type of force acting on this situation. So we have to observe that one type of force, and this force name is electromagnetic force and produce electric magnetic field, electric current and electromagnetic force. Three quantity we have to observe here. And after this experiment, another type, suppose change of position of electrode, it means positive converted into negative and negative converted into positive. We observe that change of direction of electric current, so the direction of force and the magnetic field is also changed. Now this experiment, Fleming has one introduced law is left hand rule. Fleming introduced this left hand rule to find electric magnetic field, magnetic force and electric current. Direction of all three quantity by using Fleming left hand rule, we have to find that all quantities. So Fleming said that our left hand switch our all finger first. Thumb is indicate that the magnetic force. This first finger indicate that magnetic field, and the second finger is indicate that electric current direction. So all three fingers represented three quantities. Fleming introduced these rules to find magnetic force, magnetic field, and electric current direction. So using this here, magnetic field, understand both terms in one experiment. First, here magnetic field, talk about magnetic field. The direction of magnetic field is north pole to south pole. It means direction of magnetic field is this. Now electric current is positive and to negative end. It means here. Now electric current means this finger indicate electric currents. Now this finger is indicate that magnetic field. So applying this, our force acting on electric current, magnetic field, and his thumb is indicate magnetic force. So using Fleming left hand rule to find direction of magnetic force, your thumb is indicate force direction. And all three have mutually perpendicular to each other. It means magnetic force, field, and current. All three have perpendicular, numerical is mutually perpendicular to each other. So now this is a thumb is indicate magnetic force. Now this is called indicate that field and current I. So Fleming left hand rule, we have to find direction of magnetic force, field, and current. In here, magnetic force acting on this direction upwards. Now change the positive parts and negative parts, so the force direction is also changed, and the magnetic field is produced is after far distance. The magnetic field weak step by step continuously. So this experiment we use Fleming left hand rule to find direction of magnetic force, field, and current. In this concept, in generally nowadays used in an electric refrigerator, fridge, MP3 player, washing machine, all electric fans, all electronic instruments use this concept to find mechanical work. It means applying electric current and create mechanical work. So this principle based on applying electric current, it means electric energy converted into mechanical energy. So both concepts we have to use in electric motor. So now study what is electric motor principles, construction, working, and diagram. This principle used in a electric motor and other appliances like fridge, refrigerator, in all have a same concept. One electric conducting wire between magnet, two poles, south pole and north pole, passes electricity, produce magnetic force, and this force is rotate coil, and our mechanical work is happen. So introduce this after understanding these rules, applying in electric motor, and understand what is electric motor and construction of electric motor. So now understand concept of electric motor. First, same situation, two magnetic pole between conducting wire. Principle, electric energy into mechanical energy. Electric energy converted into mechanical energy, and the rotation of coil through by the force of magnetic force. So work on this principle and rotate of coil in a base of magnetic force applied on a circuit. So understand diagram. First, two magnet pole. One pole is south, another is north. As a north pole and south pole of magnet. In figure, we have to between electric rod or conducting wire between two poles in a straight wire, but we have to use the rectangular coil of wire. The use of rectangular coils is purpose is to apply force on a surface and rotate easily to in place of straight conducting wire. So between this we have to using one rectangular coil. It means rectangular wire. Now this coil is rotated by magnetic force. When the magnetic force produce, we have to apply electric current in a circuit and magnetic field produced. So understand, and after understanding this concept, completed other parts of diagram. Only understand this part of diagram now. First, when the mechanical energy is produced, our rectangular coil is rotated by magnetic force when the mechanical work is completed. So our aim is rotate this rectangular coil by producing electric magnetic force. So understand here direction of magnetic field is north pole to south pole. So similar here. Magnetic force, it means direction of magnetic force with north to south pole. He has a fixed, no change in all completed diagram. Has a fixed magnetic force. We have to not change magnetic pole. So S and N is a stationary fixed position pole. We have to change in electric current but not disturb magnetic force. So all first to last magnetic force acting on a north pole to south pole. It means our magnetic field is this term. Now represented direction of electric current. So positive to negative pole A, B, C and D. All four diagrams indicate that four corners N is A, B, C and D. Now using Fleming left hand rule, we have to find the direction of magnetic force. First, this finger is indicate that force, current, field and force. Using Fleming left hand rule, our direction is this, and Fleming left hand rule first up. This finger is up. Now this finger is up. It means second finger is off position. First finger is in direction, and the magnetic force is up. It means we have to find magnetic force in up direction. For which side? Side AB. Now using side BC. For side BC, we have to see that the parallel line created between electric current and magnetic force. So parallel line indicate that electric conducting wire, the conductor and electricity means current direction and the magnetic force direction are parallel to each other. So have no magnetic force produced in B and C component. In similar way, A to D parallel magnetic field line N2S and the electric current direction all are parallel, so side BC and side AD no produce magnetic force. For AB we find the direction of magnetic force is upward, it means push in up direction. Now for side C, electric current direction is changed downward, it means our second finger is down, third finger, it means first finger is indicate magnetic force, and we have no change pole, therefore magnetic field line direction is same for all. Now N2S is completed downward, so using Fleming left hand rule we find magnetic force direction in downward. Is complete. Now understanding one example. So here is a rectangular coil. Now one is south pole, another is north pole. So first force is acting on upward. Now this is a parallel direction, so no force acting on this and this side, only acting on left and right hand side of rectangle. Now upward force acting, so coil is rotated, then now this force, it means this side force downward, so this upward and downward. Now half completion, which this side is force is upward, this side force is downward. Now half completed, we have to see that this side is not parallel, create some angle, but the magnetic force produced on this direction, so does not disturb in rotation motion. So in this way only two sides acting on magnetic force. After half rotation, these two sides is not parallel to electric current and magnetic field. So here also produce some magnetic force, but the direction of magnetic force is this direction and in back side this direction, so does not disturb in rotation. But problem have half completion, the magnetic force is up and down, but the change of direction, it means rotation is completed half, this coil is half rotation, this may be changed in this direction and is in backward. So change this to, we have to use now half completion, we have to complete full rotation, we have to try change of electric current direction. We have to not change electric current direction, the force is not completed on complete motion. Complete rotation of rectangular coil is not possible. When possible, change of electric current direction. So now in circuit, apply some other instrument to change the rotation of electric current. So in this way, we have to try change the electric current. So connected with battery and one key positive and negative part. And here we have to introduce split ring and here use brush X and Y, and the split ring is P and Q. Split ring is nothing but a circular CU loop cut into middle. It means circular CU loop cut into middle. So this part is known as split ring. First right hand side and left hand side. He has to turn around, and the brush is a connection of wire into split ring. So the brush is fixed. X and Y, carbon can use as a brush, and X and Y connected with this split ring. So half completion rotation, the positive part converted into negative part and completed. Split ring is moving, so x converted y, p converted q converted y. Here x and y is a fixed stationary brush. So the positive part after half rotation, positive part, negative part is converted into positive part. So the here direction of current is changed. So change of direction of current, so the magnetic force is also changed. Therefore up and down, and rotate easily in a rectangular coil. So mechanical work is produced. So this is basic information about electric motor and how to work we understood. Once again repeated, revise the electric motor. First we have the principle. Electric motor is an electric energy converted into mechanical energy, because applying electric current and we have to produce some work in a mechanical form. So electric energy converted into mechanical energy. For this, stationary two pole of magnet, south pole, another is north pole. In between two poles, one rectangular coil we have to use and connected with battery and key. Now connected with split ring and brush x and y. How connected split ring? Reason is clear here, because the direction of current change when after half rotation, the change of electric current direction. In this way, we have to use split ring and stationary x and y brush. So uses of this theory, using refrigerator, MP3 player, washing machine, electric fans in etc. So electric appliances using this principle. Now working and construction. Construction means how to construct one battery, key, split ring, XY and S pole and all our diagram is a construction. And working means how to work. So first force is applied on AB side upward, in BCD side downward. So BC and AD have no force acting because both are parallel. Which are parallel? Electric current and magnetic field are parallel to each other. And the direction of magnetic field is N to S, is a fix, no change after all completed expected. So understand what happened and how to work. So in this lecture we have to stop here, revise topic and understand, and the most of practice of diagram with clear labeling, magnetic force, split ring, battery, all have indicated is a cross, split ring,